Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find privacy policy on CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our CapCut application. And after we have our CapCut application opened, we can select this icon on the top right. Click on this icon, and here you just need to scroll down until you find the privacy policy. Tap on the privacy policy, and this is the privacy policy on CapCut. You can keep scrolling to go to the bottom or to read the whole privacy policy. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can find the privacy policy on CapCut mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.